Today, I am reviewing the Chefman air fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hello everyone. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen game, save time on busy weeknights, and enjoy your favorite fried foods without all the greasy guilt, you have probably been looking at getting an air fryer. But with so many options crowding the market, it can be tough to figure out which one actually delivers on its promises. Today, we are doing a deep, comprehensive review of the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer, specifically model RJ38-6T-BLACK. We will break down its design, unique features, real-world cooking performance, and ease of cleanup to see if this counter-saving machine deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. When you first pull this air fryer out of the box, the very first thing you notice is its smart, deliberate design. Chefman engineered this unit with a sleek, narrow profile. If you have a smaller kitchen, limited counter space, or low-hanging cabinets, you know how frustrating bulky appliances can be. This model solves that exact problem. By adopting a taller, more streamlined shape, it completely minimizes its physical footprint on your countertop while still managing to house a massive 6-quart capacity basket inside. It gives you the best of both worlds. It is compact enough to tuck away easily, yet spacious enough to comfortably cook meals for a family of 3 to 5 people. Visually, the timeless matte black finish looks incredibly modern and premium, resisting those annoying fingerprint smudges that usually plague glossy kitchen appliances. Now, let's talk about the cooking performance, because that is where this machine truly separates itself from the competition. Running on a powerful 1,700-watt heating element, this air fryer heats up almost instantly, completely eliminating the long, energy-wasting preheating cycles required by standard conventional ovens. It uses rapid air circulation to mimic the effects of deep frying, allowing you to whip up healthier, low-fat meals with little to no oil while keeping your food incredibly juicy on the inside. But what really sets this Chefman model apart is its signature 450-degree Fahrenheit high-fry technology. If you have owned an older air fryer, you know that getting that authentic, shattering crunch on things like homemade French fries or breaded chicken tenders can sometimes be a challenge. Chefman solves this by allowing you to boost the internal temperature up to a searing 450 degrees during the final 2 minutes of the cooking cycle. This intense blast of high heat acts like a commercial broiler, perfectly crisping up the exterior of your food and locking in the moisture, delivering an absolute gold standard crunch every single time. Operating the air fryer is completely effortless thanks to a beautiful, intuitive digital touchscreen display right on the front of the unit. From here, you can completely customize your cooking time and temperature manually, or you can rely on one of 4 built-in, one-touch presets designed for popular quick meals. To ensure your food cooks perfectly even, Chefman built a smart LED shake notification system directly into the interface. Halfway through the cooking cycle, the air fryer will sound an audible alarm and flash a reminder on the screen, letting you know it is time to slide the basket out and give your ingredients a quick shake. This is an incredibly helpful feature for items like crowded baskets of French fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, ensuring that the rapid air reaches every single surface evenly so you don't end up with soggy spots. Cleanup is usually the worst part of cooking, but Chefman made the maintenance process incredibly stress-free. The entire 6-quart basket and the internal crisping rack are coated in a premium, slick non-stick material that releases food effortlessly. You don't have to spend your evening scrubbing away burnt-on cheese or stubborn marinades. Even better, both the basket and the rack are completely dishwasher safe, so you can just toss them into the machine and walk away. For the exterior, a quick wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth is all it takes to keep that sleek matte black finish looking brand new. Safety is another area where this appliance truly shines. It is equipped with advanced automatic shutoff technology. The moment your timer hits 0, the machine shuts down completely to prevent overcooking or burning. Furthermore, if you need to pull the basket out mid-cycle to check on your food or give it a shake, the air fryer instantly pauses operation for your protection and seamlessly resumes cooking the exact moment you slide the basket back into place. The unit is also fully CTL approved with advanced safety systems built in for long-lasting durability, and it comes backed by a reassuring 1-year assurance policy directly from Chefman. To wrap it all up, The Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer is a phenomenal investment for anyone looking to eat healthier, cut down their cooking times, and save precious kitchen space. By combining a generous family-size capacity with a space-saving narrow footprint, intuitive touchscreen controls, and their game-changing 450-degree high-fry crunch technology, Chefman has delivered a highly reliable, high-performance appliance. Whether you are a busy parent trying to get dinner on the table in minutes, a student looking for a simple cooking solution, or a meal prep enthusiast, this air fryer delivers excellent results with minimal effort and virtually no cleanup hassle. It is a fantastic addition to any modern kitchen.